You're listening to World of Empowerment Radio, your station for practical spirituality in a changing world. And here are your hosts, Aingeal Rose and Ahonu.
Good morning from the mountain. You know, events in our world and in our lives keep us thinking small. What do I mean by that? Well, whether it's COVID-19 or the Queen's Jubilee or the war in Ukraine or the abortion vote that was handed down from the Supreme Court in the US, or whatever it is that's going on in our lives, always tends to have us thinking locally and about ourselves. We think that everything in the world is about us. Now, I know this to be true because we always think, no matter what it is, whether it's somebody trying to sell us something or you trying to sell something to somebody else or trying to get your own way in an argument, or no matter what it is that's going on with your family, your children, your life in general, it's always, what's in it for me? What does it mean to me? How can I benefit from this? And in that way, we are very egocentric in everything we do and everything we think about. Now, what could be different? Well, the thought from the mountain today is that that's there a lot longer than we are. And in that way, what would happen if we started to think more globally or more universally, more galactically? What would happen if we considered for a second that this thing has been going on for billions of years? And if we achieve 70, 80, 90, 100, it's considered miraculous. What happens when we consider things to be far more majestic and more long-term than our own little lives? And that opens the possibility of multiple lives, because I doubt for a moment that we're here for that 70, 80, 90, 100 blink of an eye, not even a blink of an eye, in the billions of years of cosmic evolution. So what does that mean? Well, I think it means that we involve ourselves in petty little issues and egocentric thinking, when if we thought about the bigger scheme of things, almost like a God's plan, then I think our outlook might change. Everything might change. Go forth today with a bigger outlook on life. Blessings from myself, Ahonu, and from Aingeal Rose.
You can subscribe on iTunes, Stitcher Radio, and on our website at worldofempowerment.com.
Don't miss an episode. Hit the subscribe button now.